Eggulu siribanja malayika yono ebimuli sibibanja nzudda baka Bobi Wine akasinga okunyumira bakayita for better for worse. For worse. Baby, this is not just a song to you. It's a message that I'll stick to you. Be good to you. True to you. Sagala omukwano gwo gumbemu laavu yo saagala enveemu newankubadde olw'olumwe ngezaamu Kazi y'omutima gwo n'enjaamu ze makuba gwe mbanguma nga gwe nnyina bikola byonna laavu byetuma mbanguma bwe makatego ka mukwano tompona bakusudde mu mukwano tompona endwadde nvumula
omurungi witu omurebi wa NKORE MEDIA TV wasiibota nebigenda bitokwe webare buri mugono gwo kutawe ngaro noba nokore chamani izine lyanje ndi Beyazin ZJ Serebo Wambara Orembo Rwambara nimwe tukwereza tukuruga kandi ni NKORE MEDIA. We thank each and everyone who is watching us, abantu bona abari kufollowinga waka witu abaku watching ibintu byitu abaku watching abaku trusting waka itu ukora nimukore chamani. Over millions and millions of people who have ever trusted our work. We thank you. Kanda bantu kurenge mitwarena nakashanju abasubscribe injire nabwe ni mwana mukore chamani abantu abaryokwe itwe hayo kuja ngutubahereze and ntubahereza tukurgo murembo rwambara kandi eshahiji ntuba ntukwata n'abaheru yambara kuja ngo ni woryokwe uri kuturebera umunsi yona cause we have abantu abakutureba all over the world ntuba tugira ngo if you're watching us echokora ne chamani erizoba tinkwenda nshisho bwire kuba nyine star ari wayo nagira kugira ngo star Malaika hitmaker nyenda tanchari Malaika faster takajire hari tinkuza no kwanjurizi na Malaika
okay njagala omukwano gwo gumbemu laavu yo saagala enveemu newankubadde olw'olumwe ngezaamu Kazi y'omutima gwo n'enjaamu ze makuba gwe mbanguma nga gwe nnyina bikola byonna laavu byetuma mbanguma bwe makatego ka mukwano tompona bakusudde mu mukwano tompona endwadde nvumula mutwalo tompona
tinkona
eggulu siribanja malayika yono ebimuli sibibanja nzudda kawowo
one Irene Kayemba tokwatira murembo rwambara
Bananga. I'm so happy to be with you here. Yes, I'm also happy.
Welcome to Mbara.
Thank you so much.
Ramusi abakutureba
abali kutureba nemba kunda mnonga na shemerera mnonga to be here in the city of Mbarara. Thank you so much.
Era buterevu ni wogo wenyine utwine Irene Kayemba the Malaika hitmaker twina keshongoro kasena ku karonje mnonga aka property abantu banzuka barabire munako nyenda tutandike konka bamanyire kintu
ayibambe lero nkusanze tuchekole buli ku mukolo twetale wali wonna kuwa mukwano guli bitole baby wefuge teritole wali wonna ulira kano manya ndiwozena era neyama obutaddamu kwetega balala bagamba ndi muyaye kambeere munaye muyaye kabeere amuyopolopate ekitegedde
ntuzakora remix
katale ka mubuulo kambeere ndi mu byonna amuyopolopate akatale ko mubuulo ne muketo mutya
akatale ko mubuulo
ekikomera kibeera moki kirina obutwa kirina emmese kirina byonna
armente itowotagambire ente tukushemererwa
notunge empangare ng'erimu byonna you get me.
Yes, okuturari NKORE MEDIA Irene Kayemba niwe twina kandi nyowe ndi ZJ Beyazin Serebo Wambara. So ndi Serebo Wambara wachi
Serebo Wembarara. Nice meeting Serebo Wembarara.
It's my pleasure. Katandikire katudewa no wa Irene Kayemba. Tandikoti okuyingira ndo. Kampala erietya
Kampala nungi nnyo Irene Kayemba atandika ati okuyingira endongo ndoza yagiyingira dda nga temwe temunaba namumanya kubanga Irene Kayemba ekisookera ddala ava mu famire abayimba. My mom was a singer in a church. My dad used to love music so much. I did performing arts at Makerere University. So that is all ndongo. Ulira ntambulira mu ndongo.
Kayemba is music.
Like Irene.
Explanation.
Herself is music.
Yeah.
Wachichenga?
Nakuchenga. Irene Kayemba. Noja anti orude mu ndongo tetuganye. Watandikira mu ndongo byonna nga wotugambye neno okusituka noga kanyingire business officially.
Officially it's now 4 years. 2 years active, 2 years non-active because of COVID. Okitegedde? So kitegeeza nakamalemu emyaka 4, emyaka 2 very active, emyaka 2 mpola bwentyo because of COVID which affected all of us. So basically it is 2 years very active. Principal ariyo mnonga alije. Principal.
Family y'abayimbi.
Yasentamu.
Anti. Kenadi njagala mpulire. Nto tugambe nti ffe tuva mu family y'abayimbi.
Ffe tuva mu family bagamba batya mu Nyankore.
Turugomo omuka yabeshongozi.
Turugomuka yabeshongozi JW Centamu. Yes.
Simanyi Wine,
Dax Vibe, Banjo Mani, Ediawe, Bobi Wine. Yes.
Nimbasa kukozesa ekigambo nti bakabaroga endongo bakagibaroga.
Apana. Endongo tebaturoga naye twagizaalibwamu ate naffe ne tujagala. You know, waliwo okubeera ng'ozaalibwa in that thing, like you're born from that family, but you can't do what the family is doing or what you saw your mom doing. So coming out and do it is also a different thing. It is an effort. Yes.
You're telling us 4 years now active in music. Ate baganda bonga bakusookayo.
Munange n'abato bange bansookayo. You know what?
Vibe kati wenda Dax
Wine is my young brother. Nabalala. Naye kati kyenyiza okugamba, everything comes in the right time. At campus, I used to love music so much. When I met my boyfriend, he knew I loved music. By this time, he's my husband. Yes, from campus. I'm very. He's the one who brought me in music, like being active. So he told me, Irene, you have to sing. I was like, you are Wambi hamwana. Me, I'm not going to sing. You're going to sing. And that is how I went to the studio. I started singing. Like 3-4 months down the road, I felt like, the hustle in music. You go in the studio, someone tells you, Aze, and you're like, who has come? Omunene. You have to get out. The munene goes inside. Aye. I was like, endongo, sebo, mwami wanje. Kangene nkuza abana. So by that time, I was, nengana. But when Kyagulanyi, remember the time of Kyagulanyi, His Excellency, in Arua. That's when I was like, I need to do something. So I came out, I sang the song, it was called Better Country. We wanna see a better country, the one we believe and trust in. So that's when I came out as like, that guy always sing songs that really motivate us, that really brings out from the downside of life to another life. So that's when I was like, no guy nange kanyimbe ya Kayimba. Abere mukomera nga awulira nti ene sister we. When I went there to see him, nga bamusibye, I was like, Bobi wakitegedde nti nakubye ya Kayimba ka Better Country naga kyechwa Irene. Tuina nanga njakawulira nga mfulumye mukomera. So when he came out, I was like, that is what we have to do. It's not all about kuogera, but the little you can contribute to your country is very, very big. Yes.
I get you. Kataawu wenzijira ninkubuuza ekibuuzo. Fe nga tuva buto tuwulira ennyimba za Bobi. Simanyi Carolina, obululu tebutwawula. Ennyimba ezo.
Everything. He sang about everything.
Gwenga sister we wari ofunya kade edda nakubulirako naga nti I will enter politics.
No. Actually, whoever, but of course he could, the way he could express himself, like he loved his country. nga bwe muba muli awo kosanyumyamu mwana kati kino ekiri wano singa someone can do abcd singa I wish is singa I wish someone could be this in the right way. Our country is really talented, our country is rich enough to, you know, ebintu bwe bityo naye nga talaga nti he's going to come out and be a politician the way he is now. And it was a shock, and I remember it was a surprise, like we were not expecting it as a family.
Even the family members were not expecting
we were not expecting it as much as, like, you see some, you know, my elder brother bamweta Nyanzi Fred. So chairman Nyanzi. So for him, even if he says ngena kuwe mupi, you could not say ati how. Ebiawe. He was both an artist and a politician. So it wasn't like Bobi Wine, MP kale tugende tuchukube. Mubanda tugende tuchukube. We need to make people that even from ghetto, that ghetto life, you can be someone better. You can be someone who can change people's lives forever. That is what he's doing, and I think he has inspired so many youths. Yeah.
I get you.
Yeah.
Batujje mu ghetto era ne tujingira egwanga tuli.
If you fail to go to the ghetto, for those who are up there, ghetto will come to where you are.
I get you.
And I think we've done it.
Back to the music. Yes. Katuveeyo. Wana saja sibangu. Na era katuveeyo. Kati Irene Kayemba. Oyina live band?
I do have a live band. It's called Kib's Band. I prefer to perform lively, like ngenda ku stage nkwate microphone omuntu andabe that is Irene Kayemba singing. It's not like these artists or some artists nga ulimba yotasola doyemba.
Just nga bayingiramu yagenda mu studio.
Na kuba nakola chi. Era bandi yafe ekola every event kwanjula mbaga kuhinjira mukweto okuhinjira mbaga birthday at byona.
As long as you have people to be entertained.
No, even if you sit there alone and you say I want Kib's Band of Irene Kayemba, we come, we dance, we sing, we entertain you, we go.
So norebo ku camera person wanje emyaka 8 eri kujana nda kushwera na booking.
Hey, Mikwana Jange, whoever is listening or watching us, I do have a live band that can perform for you any kind of song. So feel free to call the number I'm going to give you so that you can book us. Kuhinjira, netukweto okwanjura, fetukuita okwanjula. Hey, mino kwanjura no kuhinjira. Byanjawule, they are different.
Introduction. The other one is introduction. This is giveaway.
Oh, giveaway, wedding. So if you're there and you're missing a live band that can give you the best, I'm here with Kib's Band. I'll give you the best.
Yeah, I will get you. So tureba NKORE Media TV kan twine omweshongozi Irene Kayemba akorwa mu family y'abeshongozi yaba Center Muz naye batujira munange. Naye mwebale ogata etafari kugwanga.
Omanyi nawe oli mugata tofali. You're one of the stakeholders in the music industry. Okitegedde? Because now you're seated with me. I'm an artist. But you're pushing me further. Okay? So that means you're adding something in the music industry. Even the guy on the camera, you can't do away with him. He's part of the stakeholders. Even the ones watching, they do appreciate your works, your content. That means they are building our industry. Political, like our country, you're creating awareness in one or the other. Yes, we appreciate you.
I get you. Kati bandi wajikoranga tona kutandika music officially, like you told us.
Immediately I joined music. You know, I saw what artists are going through. Some cannot sing their own songs because they lack practices or practicing or rehearsing. So I was like, my husband told me, Irene, tukube live band. That is the only way you're going to improve yourself vocally, the confidence and everything, performance on stage. And there we go. Netujikola. We started there and then. Yes.
So far ukorera ddala Kampala.
Yeah, Kampala from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Is always an kwanjula bichebe webityo. Then Sunday, all booked. weewaawo mukama mulungi
tambulirawo otiri muno tubereho hari Nkore Media TV katuni Irene Kayemba nyowe ndi Beazine ZDJ Serebu Wambara nitukorera hajuru kwa GoPraza no offices zitu ziri na wasakutushira for the better services, videography, photography, promotion, marketing, branding and all those stuffs. Big shout out to my brother Martin Fashions kurga Easy View Complex ni wari kubana anjweka urida chike yo kuranjwire ni wari kubankozereho. And back to you Kayemba. Cheshongoro Malaika noyhan okachehandikira
Cheshongoro Malaika. I sat with Nesim. You know Nesim? And Dr. Brain. So we sat. I had gone to do another song. And out of the blue, we talked about Malaika. Banage. No muntu ngalinga Malaika. I was like, we started from there. Nitukola Malaika. Like you know when you get a friend that can make you happy, that is your Malaika on earth. Your mother is your angel. Your partner is your angel. So I needed to appreciate and put myself into their shoes that maybe I'm also a Malaika to someone because I'm doing good to him or her. Yes.
So noga katukore Malaika ngofu.
Malaika. Eguru siribanja. By the time I'll go to heaven, already Malaika mina kunsi.
Muro.
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 Ya muro. Malaika mba molina.
Kati Malaika na furuma.
Malaika na fuluma, na malo fuluma, nenzi zako, it's property. The one I gave you a cappella. Yeah, property. You know when you're starting, do you look at yourself in the mirror?
Yeah, I do.
What you see is what you want. You yourself. Tikwe? But some people look at you and say, "Oyo muyai." Okay? Yeah. But the mere belief or confidence you have in yourself, you say, even if they say I'm a muyaye, when I look into the mirror, I'm not a muyaye. Inside myself, I'm not a muyaye. So when you listen to property, bagamba ndi muyaye kambere, mbunaye muyaye kambere, I'm your property. Because at the end of the day, when you get a girlfriend, from that family they will say, agenze kufuna muyaye. Ochitegera, eh? But then at the point B, everyone say, or your property woyo. Because you've gone through that process of they calling you muyaye, you prove them a point. So that's how I came out with property.
Like nga chemwa tukorane mututwariro omwana gwene Bobi mutwaro omwana wa.
Actually you've talked about it. By the time we came to Rubare, by the time we came to Rubare to pick Babi, really? Query. Savage, nice meeting you. So by the time we went there, maybe they had this thing of Oyomuyaye. Bobi Wine was Omuyaye. By that time, Bara baby vid at Bajiranti, let him cut off their hair. And Bobi stood and said, "No, my hair is my hair. It's not all about my hair. It's about the person who is going to take your daughter." So we were welcome to Twara Babi, and now I think they are proud of him. However much they thought of, parents. I'm also a parent. Yeah. At point B, you would think, "Oh, you're muyaye," but you just have to believe in your kids and say, "Okay, let me support."
She loved him.
Yeah, love is all we need in life. There's nothing else.
Era toyinzoga nti ayinza kubeera omuyaye kunko mwana kamumanyire kuba manyini
bamanyagana. And let me tell you, when you say is a muyaye and the girl says kahabere, his property, ukola ki
toyongerako oba olina okubagalisa emikisa myere. God bless them.
From there they are happy, we are happy, we believe in each other. At least we've taken time knowing each other. Nebategera nti mutabani waffe oba muganda waffe teyatwala mwana wawe for like muyaye
kati balawa state jalimu.
Yeah, even if he had not joined politics, but he had already proved a point. It was not all about the attires, the hairstyle, but the person who is taking their daughter. Yes.
Ati ntwenda kora revenge ninkwe mukanze Buganda. Tumukutwara omwana nyonka bareka.
Namwe mujeti baweyo. Mujeti bahereze mujeti empangare mujeta muti. Omwischi empangare mujeti bahereze.
All right. Irene Kayemba. Kusawe no mu record label under any management over Kayembi's Kayemba.
I'm under a record label called Kibz Music Revolution. Kibz, Kibz Music Revolution. It has got a band. It has got me on board as of now. It has a studio. It has a rehearsal room. So basically, it's a full music label that can enable an artist to do or to bring out the star in her or him, so long as you're signed on board. Yes.
Eyo bandi ng'omuntu ali eyo ayagala bandi ayagala any business with your record label
ayitirawa actually my number the number you can contact is 0752 kansome buli nyankole mushanju 5 2 9 4 9 6 okay 0752 94 43 96 that's one. Then the second one is 0752 666 881
some mu Uganda era
Uganda 75 2 6 881. The first one is for my manager. He's called Ray. The second one as well, he's the one who, like, he receives all the calls.
Yeah.
Yes. With the artist, the band, the management, everything. Yes.
Tusubireyo dda Kayimba kaliwa kava mu center mu family nga we turaba Wizo, Chameleon, Paraso bafulumiza banga netocha
newocha
twagala Kayemba Bobi
family yaffe tekola bya bulijjo like nti olwokuba oli akikoze naffe ne tuvayo ne tukikola we take our time. Everything comes in time. Like we think about it. It's not like Irene ayingide music the only way to get into there or like to get what she wants. She has to do a collab with Bobby or she has to do a collab with my other brothers. No, it's time. Chovolaba tukole ebyenjawo.
Daxide yatuyingiramu.
Kavubuka nekaja ne so and she's doing well. It's all about kulemerako. Even you guys who are watching, it's all about kulemerako. If you say today you fail and you're like, I'm not getting up, you'll never get up. Fall, yimuka, tambula, because that is the only way to go. In life, everything comes in a harder way. When you sit here on the cushion and you say, I'm comfortable, and you don't get jobs, you don't get anything, these cushions will not give you a plate of food. It will not bring food on your plate, on your table. So that means stand up, get up, go and work. Hustling. Like you need to be a hustler.
Like tetugenda kugenda wala nnyo ku Bobi kuba muganda wo ate omusajja ya ayina tafaari ddene lyateeka ku industry yaffe. Kati mulimu abantu abavaayo ne boogera ne bagamba Bobi Wine okuyingira politics kirina engeri gye kyakosaamu industry yaffe ya music. Kati gwe nga Irene Kayemba nga tuggyeko ekyokubeera sister to him.
I think as an artist, he played a big role because yalabisa nnyo kyekino okukolebwa mu music industry. Kyetwali tumanyi luli. Like abantu abasinga batuna copyright. When he talked about copyright, everyone was like, copyright cause kyeki. Some didn't know about it. So I think kyatwongera amaanyi ffe nga ba artist. One, that you can do anything ne bw'obeera ng'oli artist. Bameka abalabira ku Bobi Wine ng'ayingidde parliament ne ba artist abalala ne bayingira. Kitegeeza yabawa that thing of you can do it. If I can do it, then what about you? Because you're my fellow artist. Secondly, you're waking up so many youths out there to be confident of themselves, musically, politically, in any sense of life. So I think he has played a very, very big role. And he's selling us outside. If Bobi Wine can go beyond the borders of Uganda and everyone says, he's Bobi Wine, do you know what next? The artist. Do you know what is next? The president. Do you know what is next? He's from ghetto. Do you know what is next? He has inspired the youths. And it is a big thing.
Ate abagamba nti kirina engeri gye kyakosaamu endongo yaffe kati kangambo some politicians they look at artists as threats.
I think if that is the point, the word threat means you're gyali mu kulabisa. Tavuddeyo n'ayogera ekintu ekituufu. And because of the crowd or the audience, agamba oyo guy ayogera ebituufu naye nga naye mwennyini amanyi oyo artist oyo ayogera bituufu. So that's when it becomes a threat. But I shouldn't say an artist is a threat if I'm doing something right. Yeah.
Anti bano abali mu ndongo bagamba temulimu engeri gye kibrokinga some chances to us. Kuba baalaba ora ayinza okulaba nti n'agamba kana akayimbi we kayitawo wano kalina audience ate agenda kwogera ekintu emukiririzaamu wayogera ekintu newe kibeera nga kifu because he or she has numbers who believes in numbers they are believing in him or her wayogera ekintu audience ejja kukikiriza kati kiba kitegeeza ora ayinza okubrokinga that chance nekinyigiriza omuyimbi.
In life buli kintu kyonna kinyigiriza. Ontegedde bulungi. In life buli kintu kinyigiriza. So the only way of making sure ekinyigiriza at the end of enjoying is to persist. Kukinyigiriza lero banganye ku stage enchanya kufuna chance nzire ku stage njogere kyenyina okwogera oba nyimbe enyimba zenyina okuyimba. So I think of course there are challenges. In life, it's all about having challenges, and the challenges are the ones that push you more and more. So when banjo get the two, for example, banga nyimbi ekintu, ne kinyigiriza omulala, ate kiyinza okusanyusa omulala. Are you aware? Yeah? So is another one's poison. So kitegeeza nti let no one stop you from doing what you're doing because someone else is taking it in a negative way. Oba ontegedde bulungi because oba olina kyoyimba kati bwe nvayo nenyimba malayika omuntu ayinza ogamba Irene nawe oba malayika kati malayika bazisanga mu ggulu. How can you sing about malayika nga tuli ku nsi? Kati then when I explain what it meant I was like okay, I'm seated with my malayika here because you've given me audience, you've given me your time. It's more like being a good person to each other.
I get you. Notutire bari NKORE Media TV kandi abantu bona baburenje bwizoba. Gune Irene Kayemba, a sister to Bobi Wine, and she's the one who gave us the other nice song which we loved called Malaika. Tunena kaseko bakwita property. Tuyina kayimba kapya akaddako wano.
Akaddako olaba mugenda kufa.
What is the plan of your audience this year?
This year, my plan is to bring out the best in me so that people can get more confidence in what I do musically. So this year is going to be packed, fully packed. In the last month, that is February, that's when I released Property. And God willingly, after 2-3 months, I'll be putting up something. That means nina kubawa a change. I'll give you something different. Nice, loving. Chiwede.
Chikwere yake eshongoro korunyanko.
Akorunyankole.
Baba kuhandikire kore kurura kwe.
Achi nyenda omuntu yenayina asobola okuwandika akeshongoro. Akorunyankole. Nkayimbe muti.
Oyogera bulungi ku kamera.
Ninyenda bakyeta bati omuwandisi bamuyita bati.
If you say ninyenda, it is like a command. Ninshaba. Ninshaba omuntu ali kubasa kuhandika.
Ninshaba omuntu ali kubasa kuhandika. Any song, a good loving song from Banyankore. Irene, I come here, I sing it for you.
I get you. The country garukemu bachengeje omurumuru nchikatirize let me board it. So omuntu ari yo kwari kubasa kuhandika akeshongoro obunyankore kurungi nenjaka rukundo. Karungi karungi munonga. So atushikirire tukahandikire Irene Kayemba akatweshongorere. Nitwa abanyankore ntwenda ateshongoro.
Nja kujja nkayimbe. Mulo. Bulungi nyonyo.
Webari munonga.
Tujja kuyingira studio tukayimbe. I think it will come out. The best.
What is your best moment so far within music? Because Nogamba in music so far, I enjoyed this moment. It was nice.
The best moment is when I meet people abamanyi Irene Kayemba as an artist. That is always my best moment. Like, I feel people are appreciating my music. People know me like Irene Kayemba. Like, not, you know, when you first time, someone could not even say Irene Kayemba. Sister Bobi Wine, now when you move and someone says Irene Kayemba, hey, you feel like you're building a brand that people are starting to appreciate. And you know, when you're building a brand and people get to know the brand, that is the best moment for me. Yes.
I get you. Kayemba nga tali mu ndongo, tali ku bandi, tali wano ku interview, aba akola ki?
Kayemba nga tali mu ndongo, abeera mama, abeera mukyalo wewaka, a wife, a mother, a marketeer. I work with Cribs Marketing Agency. I work with a hotel called Kakiri Gardens and Hotel. I'm a farmer. So basically that's Irene Kayemba. But even if you call me into Irene waliva sika chapati, I don't hesitate. I come nenkola chapati.
Sika chapati?
Yeah, ego.
Bantu ba ghetto.
Bantu ba ghetto, it's...
Muri bayiri bino.
When you miss living in a ghetto, you miss the part of life. Kubanga ghetto ina golabe osobola okuva wano ng'olina ky'oyagala. Nomalira nogamba I'm going to walk from here to Rebi Corner, over from here to Wizibwera, because you want something from Wizibwera. Then those people who don't know the ghetto life, they think walking from here up to Kolanoria is like a whole day walking. You see, Natemba border from there to here, and you just like that thing comes out and everything becomes easy, and you don't fear anything. Those people fear. Batutia.
Kwegana nafunako chance nga ndi muvaka yange ya senior 6 nembera kweyo kamocha nga community nenda ba struggle eyo eyona nafuna te nari mbera oguru awunga NBS katijeri naye nga ntero kirira community wansi nenkirira ngoyambuka mutse chebanda kati nga ntera no kuitira ku fire base nenda abana bawo nga muri bayiri binyo enyo kye kiba wa amaanyi kwega muba muvuddeyo ne muzimbe ekintu
with that braveness, olaba buli muntu yena, the great men, the great women out there, they don't get things on a silver plate. They fight for it. They work for it. Politicians, non-politicians, musicians, artists, everything. It's all about being a hard-working person. So oyinza okulaba abayimbi mentioning that yomimbi gwalira nga mbutofu yoloza tiyabona abona nako si mu Uganda yena
abaheru ne tinku bakunda ninkunda Diamond Platinum.
Now have you ever taken time okumanya Diamond like background ye Ochitegeera. So yeah, thank you. So when you look at his life and where he is now, don't you think you get motivated?
Yeah.
You get motivated. So chitegeza buli muntu yena it's all about being hardworking. So when you find street boys like abali kutambula kamocha, omanya they are looking for something. Baina kye banoonya.
Da bavao atebe batufukira zex birangirangi.
Ochitegedde? So buwalaba zex birangirangi by that time. Wali oloza asobola okufuka kyali.
Netura kalika kilipu wali bako yali ghetto talent search.
Yes, ghetto talent search.
Kuliko principal Nenubian.
Era principal yamugamba bigambo ki? Yamugamba you're going to be a superstar.
Yamugamba boy oja kubeera wa Kazi.
Superstar. You're going to be a superstar. Not because yamulabanga like by that time yali wa Kabi. Yamulaba that gunji aina, the energy, the zeal of doing the thing he wants. But where is he now?
Munene.
So na banene mwena babayita ba ghetto youths. Mwena you can be as big as you cannot even imagine. so long as you just be hardworking, take your time, take things step by step, tobuuka bubuusi. Yes.
Alright, kituleba Nkore Media kandi twine Irene Kayemba niwe turimo tuganira nawe, and as we are soon finalizing, we are almost finalizing cause of time. Kayemba twadi tusubira kati ngaffe we tuba tukuwulira ate ne tuwulira Bobi twadde tumanye ojja kuyitira mu Firebase Entertainment nga nkubuuziza record label.
Kati munange
temwena ne Mikitari Banjoman.
How do you feel nga fena tuyitidde mu Firebase naye nga tulina different wings that everyone can attach himself or her? Owulira otya? Because if I come out with Kib's Music Revolution, nowulira Solubada High School, nowulira Firebase, buli entity gy'owulira, it is having different people. Sikitegeza, we are not only singing, but we are also empowering other people in different ways. Oba ontegedde bulungi. Singa nyajira mu Firebase oba Solubada. Salisikoze kyamaanyi, because right now the band is there. It is expected. Yeah. But of course they have played their role, like to put me where I am. Mickey, Dax, my family, everything. Yes.
So buli omu akola kiki?
Buli omu akola, it's not like chiche. Buli omu apushinga monne to have something. Yes.
Of which abamu tetutukora.
Of which abamu kyesijagamba nti tebakikola, because I don't know how they do their things. I wouldn't want even to talk about it. Nze kanjogere ku kyemanyi. Nze kyemanyi nti we push each other. Era oli bwawulira nti omuntu akoze ekintu ng'agamba twogeremu, yeah, let's push. Of course waliwo olumu lwe mucyankana mukono gamba Irene ekito wali kikoze nti ekyo nkikoze, gunte wali kikoze nti naye nkikoze. So it's life like more of home, ne mwogeramu. Yes.
Kusaawa eno waliwo omusajja yayita eggwanga nerisooka nerigaana okujja.
Eggwanga?
Yayita eggwanga n'aligamba mujje.
Hani?
Regendi Dr. Jose Chameleone. Eggulu yaliise oba yazze.
Eggwanga? Okuyita eggwanga, it takes time, nga bwe gambye nti buli kintu kirina we kitandikira. So leero nze bwe nvayo nempita eggwanga mufuna question mark. Irene ayise eggwanga. But it's all about time. Wachichenga, it's about time. So okuyita eggwanga, what he did, it was worth it. Like yalina okuyita eggwanga.
Chameleone is worth calling.
Let me ask you, if Kyagulanyi calls amawanga, Chameleone called the eggwanga. If Kyagulanyi calls, Bobi Wine calls amawanga. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Kenya, Tanzania, bichi byonna byonna. Africa at large. Waliwo agana okujja? Because akikoleredde, all in all, it's all about what you've done and for the period of time you've done it. Oba mfunye bulungi. So bwaba yakikubye.
Abali bagamba tasana oriyita tebali kwara.
Buli muntu alina endowooza ye. And buli ndowooza y'omuntu gi respecting. However much mwina differences in politics, religion, where you do come from, respect someone's thinking. Kikyalowooza mutwe gwe. Nze nazaalibwa ne sister wange, nazaalibwa ne brother wange. N'endowooza yaffe. N'omwana gwe nzadde, I can't have the same thinking. Yeah.
Yes, tuli aha twakora Little Woods hano yo murembo rwambara na wasa kwikaho for the best. It is a nice place kandi niho ninja Kayemba chiringi. So I found Kayemba hano ya Little Woods omurembo orwambara rurungi. Orulembo. Orwambarara. Ekibuga ky'embarara. Okay. Nachenga mnonga, yes. Noza kumpa na fizi yo kusomesa orunyamba. Ayibambe. Sorry, kayimba chaka Bobi akasinga okunyumira. Akayimba ka Bobi Wine akasinga okunyumira bakaita for better for worse. For us. Baby, this is not just a song to you. It's a message that I'll stick to you. Be good to you. True to you. Owulira kanyumira because even nakadongo bwe katambula wonna nka feelinga. He sang about people have gone from like zero nenga be trustinga newe buli bobwavu
newe buli bobugagga. Hey, I say for better for us, sickness or health, baby. Newe buli bobulwadde. Newe buli okitegeera.
Abanyankore akakusinga kutunurira omukyeshongoro ki amanyi me Bobi you are my baby kasito gamba Babi
Okitegeera.
noba watukwata.
I'm your Bobi, you are my Babi. From the first time I saw you. Yes, so it's a good song to me. It puts me somewhere. Then olimbo lwali badde olulala lwali badde lwa akalulu tekatwawula. Because he talked of something atanaba nakiyingiramu. He just looked at the situation which was there. Nagamba no, however much we don't believe in one thing, at the end of the day we are Ugandans. We are one people. We need to believe in each other. But it shouldn't bring us like omuvume, omute, omukolotya. No.
My second last question. Kati Kayemba kangambe nti ofunye that authority ne opportunity kwega you're controlling the music industry. What can you change to make sure that our music industry grows more and more?
Wow, that's a very good question. What I can change even immediately, I have got that power to change, is the copyright law. Because when you say copyright law, even an upcoming artist will have something. You know, artists are struggling, not because they are not doing good work, but because they're not given the worthiness of what they are doing. Yeah? So I think that is the best thing I would really there and then do. Yes.
Akatayagara Kayemba, katuddemu wanayagara Kayemba, omusanga wa music amufuna atya.
Bajenzi, if you want Irene Kayemba, just go on social media platforms. That is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. You just put in Irene Kayemba, you'll be able to see me. All musical stores, my songs are there. There are very many. You just have to go and select what you want or what you enjoy best. Then with the contacts, it's 0752 944 396. That's my manager. You can get him any time of the day or at night, so long as you want my services, you want the band services, you want the studio services, you want to rehearse, you just go through him. Yes.
Bigambo ki byolekera abaturaba abawagizi bo
negwanga ebigambo ebisooka is to appreciate. Thank you so much, so much for making me who I am now. Because without you supporters or the ones who are watching now, I wouldn't be here. Then secondly, I request you to support me more and more. And the only way you can support me is go on my social media platforms, subscribe, like, comment, share as many times as possible so that you can take me to another bar. Like Bagambango Chukubye. Yes. Lastly, I would like to call upon all the young mothers, the girls out there. It's not all about singing. It's before even you join music, you need to know your value as a woman, your value as a girl. That alone, if you're a woman, you're a mother, you're a girl out there and you feel you have a talent. Talent does not mean music only. Any talent. Before you go into that talent, know the value of who a woman is. And other things will come. Don't go just like, I want to do music. Someone makes you to do things that are not worthy you as a woman. No. Be you. Everything will be you.
Akatarekeka. Yogera ne Babi. Bugambo burungi. Omwana wafo.
Babi Itungo Kyagulanyi, as the first person to see Babi, Bobi brought her to me. We were at campus, Makerere. Then Bobi told me, Irene, ono yechali wanga. I was like, hey, yechali, you've decided on yechali want years. So then I gave her my number. She gave me hers, and I was like, in case he does anything wrong, call me. I can punch him. Like, he's the only person I've ever slapped in my life.
The only person you have ever slapped is Bobi?
Only. One slap like this. Yeka. So, it wasn't because of her. We were still young, those back years. Chenyizo Mugamba Babi, thank you for loving Bobi. because you loving Bobi makes him who he is now. You loving, trusting, being honest to him is what everyone is seeing now. The smartness, the intelligent part of him, the everything. It is because of you, because when he comes out, when he's not happy, it will be like inside there's a problem. So you've tried to be the woman that is inspiring most of us, even if you're younger than me, but you've inspired me a lot. And I wish you the best in everything, in your career, not only as a mother, but the person that is looking for other girls through her charity organization. She's doing a big thing, and that also inspired me to come out with a Groom a Girl Foundation. I do have a foundation that is taking care of girls. During COVID, we had 528 girls, the ones we are taking care of. So that means she has done something in my life to do that. Imagine, I'm bigger than her, like in terms of Enyaka, but I looked at her, what she did, I was like, why not Irene to do it? If I wouldn't manage to buy a mother kit, and now I can buy 1,000 of them and go to a hospital and give them for free, why not? Because that is what she's doing. So big up to you. I love you as your sister-in-law. She's the person who made me to love Ankole. Yes, I met her as like, I went to her village and everyone was talking Runyankole. I was like, hey, I've loved the language, but I don't know if I can learn it. And she told me, Irene, you can learn it. And even making Shabwe. I learned Ishabwe. Ishabwe. I learned it from there. It's her mom who taught me to make it. So we love you as a family. As Irene, I love you so much, that one, you know. God bless you.
Wow. Webara wanatolea NKORE Media TV, Beazini ZDJ Serebu Wambara wabaria camera off Savage, neighbor wa Babi. Kandi twatwine Irene Kayemba. She's an artist, ebyeshongoro mnonga ebitukumanya property malaika. Go on her YouTube binyuma.
There are so many better country women. I sang about how important mothers are.
Yeah.
I sang about how men should change their lives. Olimusajachi, Atalina and Pisa, Tasola taking care of the kids and everything. So all the songs are there.
Go on her YouTube channel, subscribe, watch, share. Love us too. I sign out. Mukama NKORE.
Saya, ejini program etiwa wanochimanya NKORE Media TV na DM Swaga promoter the number one. Big ups.
Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.
Etiwa wanochimanya NKORE Media TV.